If you're using a PC VR headset and have Teams installed on your computer, you can join Teams calls directly from Vive Sync. Before you get started, go to the Sync website to download the Vive Sync virtual camera and install it. Then, in Teams, go to Settings, select Devices, and make sure the microphone and Vive Sync camera are selected. To join a Teams meeting while in Sync, first, open the Sync menu and select Desktop. From the desktop window, select Teams. Open your calendar and select the meeting you want to join. Turn on the Teams camera, then go to Settings and check that Vive Sync camera is selected. When you're ready, select Join Now. Below the desktop window, you'll see that the Sync microphone is muted. When you join a Teams call, we automatically mute you in Sync, so other Sync users who join the call won't hear your voice twice. If you do want people in both rooms to hear you, just turn on the Sync microphone. If you want to mute or unmute yourself in Teams, do it directly from the Teams screen. That's it! Enjoy using Teams in Vive Sync.